Hopefully, by the time that you see this vlog, I'm there having so much fun. Girl, the cake is in the fridge!
I think for my churros.
Welcome back to another vlog. So I am at school. I've got 2 more hours and then we're gonna head home. So after the vlog last week, the spin class, I was not okay. My legs were super painful. I can't walk well. I can't go up and down the stairs well. Sobrang sakit ng legs ko. Like, feeling mo binugbog ka, ganun. Sobrang sakit talaga. Pero sabi ni Noemi, it's a normal reaction. Nung nag-try din siya the first time, ganun. And it only started feeling better last night, which was Thursday night and Friday na ngayon. So, nag-spin class kami Sunday. And ilang araw ako parang like, hindi ko alam kung paano maglakad or bumaba ng stairs na maayos. So, anyway. So, today I have a lot of errands. I need to go to my laser appointment, underarm and upper lip, and then go to Goya to shop for some things that I need because I'm gonna do something exciting and special. I'll tell you about it later, and by the time that you see this video, I am probably already there because I'm filming this 2 weeks in advance. I ate lunch and then I just changed my bag, so mas comfy tayo habang pupunta sa mga kailangan puntahan. Let's go! Here, laser time. Done with my laser appointment. Pag may pimple ka pala, may nilalagay sila para hindi masakit. So I'm gonna walk to Goya. It's 17 minutes away to buy the things that I need. And then we're gonna head home after. Ito pa yung sweet spot ng spring to summer. Like, hindi pa ganun kainit. Pwede ka pa maglakad. Kaya, let's walk. Ayun yung retiro. Pero, baka lumala lang yung sipon ko pag umupo-upo pa ako sa park. First thing is my moisturizer with SPF. I need to bring one. I'm getting a few things from here. Like maybe a new toothbrush, makeup that I need to replace, and skincare and off lotion kasi malamok daw doon. So, oh, I found it. Got 2 tank tops, one in red and one in white. I'm home. The girls are not here. So, ayun na nga, to share lang. Pag nakita nyo to, nandun na ako. I applied to a summer camp. It's my first time to do a summer camp. And actually, it starts early June. And technically, dapat nasa school pa ako hanggang June 11. Ginawa ko na lang is nagpaalam ako sa school ko to make up hours this May. So, nadagdagan ako ng 2 hours every week. Pero parang hindi ko naman siya nararamdaman. Ganyan, tsaka ang dami kong walang pasok this month nga kasi puro excursions. So, yun, pumayag sila na mag-makeup ako ng hours. And aalis na ako sa June. Basta first week of June, aalis na ako. And then, I'm going to the summer camp. I cannot wait. First time ko yun, na-recommend to ng friend ko. Kasi the past few years dito, it's either nag-pandemic, tumambay lang ako sa bahay, babysitting, umuwi ako ng Pinas, nag-London ako last year, ganon. So, doon lang siya. It's either tumatambay ako, nag-babysit, or yung umaalis ako. So, I can't wait. First time ko to. Hopefully, by the time that you see this vlog, I'm there having so much fun. Like, having the time of my life. Yun yung pinagdadasal ko everyday. Mga kailangan pa ako bilhin sa supermarket, pero bukas na lang siya. And bukas, wala naman siya dito. Birthday ni Jana sa Sunday. And kakain kami sa labas sa Sunday. Tapos bumili na kami ng cake. Oh, I forgot to vlog it. Bumili kami ng cake malapit dyan. And tinatry namin gawa ng paraan ni Tets na matago siya sa ref nang hindi niya nakikita. At gusto namin siya i-surprise ng midnight. Kasi naging tradition na yun sa sa amin. So, yung cake dito na lang sa bahay and yung flowers sa Sunday na lang. Ganon. So, tomorrow, grocery, and pupunta dito yung pinsan ko next week. Si Meg, pupunta siya ulit. Last time na pumunta siya dito, hindi ako nag-vlog. Pero next week, tatry ko mag-vlog. So, ang dami naming ganap na 3 next week. Medyo nakakahilo na siya, guys. Tapos, makikita din namin si Ed Sheeran next week. Here.
Okay, excuse me.
Timing wala si Jana. Kasama niya sila, Brie.
Feliz cumpleaños,
Ay, unlock
Sophia.
naman
I
ang
know.
box! Girl, how are we gonna do this? I'm trying to hide it. Look. Nang walang box.
That's like
Home. Today is Saturday. And it's 11.
15 pa lang, though.
Yeah. Tapos pauwi na si Jana because she went somewhere. So we were waiting for her to come home.
Taxi me now. Holy.
So should just we wait for her birthday or... Girl, the cake is in the fridge.
Wait.
It's down.
Well, I think
Akit na natin.
It's already
ilagay na sa...
mahaba siya.
Get ready. One there.
Okay.
And then another one. And then, ready na lang din to dyan sa gilid.
Happy birthday to you. Wish.
Yeah! Happy birthday naman dyan!
And your family.
We're gonna go and celebrate her today! She's 26!
Ruben, no more.
Yes, she's mature.
Pwede yan for mature roles.
We're almost there!
Summer na. Summer.
Anong wish mo kay, ano? Hindi, mamaya na lang.
Nakakainis ka ngayon.
May dance number daw sila, Aubrey. Tapos, ano kami ngayon? Anong message mo? Birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wish ka.
Nominated.
Unang nominado.
real. Baka next. Si River. Go with the river. Next. Si Clarice.
Ay,
Masasaya si Noemi. Si Brent. Walang personality. Okay na sa kayo. Si Brent. May love team to.
Okay siya nung binigay niya kay Miguel.
Si Will.
I like, oh my God, baka si Dustin.
Sino ko boto?
Si Easy siguro.
Wait, feel ko parang hindi nominated si Dustin. Si Vince.
Okay.
Well, at lumabas na siya.
Pwede na siya umalis. Pwede na siya umalis. I think.
Si Mika. Well, feel ko safe niya. Si Dustin.
Si Easy.
Charlie. Young. That's it.
Si Easy na.
Easy as near.
Easy na lang.
na kami, guys. Happy birthday.
Tumatawid, baklat.
Bakla
ng taon.
Grabe. Guys, ang init bigla. So, gusto nila dito sa lilim. Yes. 30 plus na siya. Now and next week.
Like the weather, ha?
Yes.
Hindi si Jana.
Ginawa kang 30 best.
26. Sana 28.
26 na siya. Sige, paano yan in Filipino? Kagaya sa Big Brother house. 26.
6.
Ay, pasado.
Pasado.
T for 26.
Letter D.
Ay, di pala. We're already in our neighborhood and I'm gonna get some water because we're so thirsty. May dadaanan kaming medieval fair dito sa neighborhood namin. So, bili muna tayo ng tubig. Hindi ko na kaya. Siguro ganito kalaki. Parang ang OA. So, mabayad ako ng cash. Pwede pero kaya naman ako. In-offer naman ni ate. Water. Wow, they have donuts. At saka ano?
Would look like this.
In every what?
I never thought the Calvaro would look like this.
Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng mga plants. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Parang kasarap bumili.
Kumain sa mga
Cute nito, oh. Grabe. We're getting these. 2 for 15 euros. Yay! May shop doon ng candle. Amoy-amoy kami. Tapos binigyan kami ng ganito. No-worry ako kay Ted. Sabi ko, Ted, huwag mo isusubo Kasi mukhang candy.
You never accept candies from strangers.
Yeah. Pero no, for some reason, nag-worry talaga ako for you. Bango siya in fairness.
Kuha lang tayo ng ano dyan.
Grabe, kumukuha lang kami ng papel dyan dati, oh. Kasi nasa tapat siya ng ayuntamiento. Nakakatuwa naman dito. Hindi namin alam na may ganito. Sinabi lang to nung private class ko. Sabi niya may ano dyan, oh. Sa ayuntamiento namin. So cute. Wala, nagpo-perform na siya. Ang galing! So cool. We're gonna head home. Ano feeling na 26 ka na?
Feeling 25.
Forever young. Ganon ang vibe.
Wala pa ako nag-feel, guys.
Bukas.
Bukas.
Or pag nag-error na yung oven mo.
Pag nagbayad na ako ng 21.
Kasi may card dito na mura. Tapos, ano, tawag dito. Sorry. In-English ko.
Taga dito ka, babe.
Sorry. May card dito na hanggang 26 lang siya. Yun yung mura. 25. So, when you turn 26, yung transportation card mo, mag-iba na yung pesos. Mag-error na siya. Pero today, na-choose ka pa today.
Hanggang next reload sa'yo.
Ah, okay.